열심히 하는 그런 모습을 보여드리겠습니다. 그리고 항상 응원해 주고 싶어요.
Yung sa kanila din po is for the aspirations of the NHYPEN members as well is yung mga sophomores or yung mga seniors din, yung ibang musical artists. At syempre, the message they want to give is syempre, they're going to bibigay sila ng todo. They will always do better and better every day for them to aspire and dream big and for the future. And they would also would like to say, we support you and we will support your aspirations as well for your future.